what it means, what is the interpretation of that particular result graph, the things what we are putting all together in an integrated manner, as the title of this course is integration, whether we are able to do the integration of our entire work and able to put comment, that is what we says conclusion, that the variation in these parameters are like this. So that's why I will conclude by this graph, this variation, this number, this statistics, that the things are happening this way, or the conclusion is in this way. So that is what missing. Most of the time the postgraduate student or the researcher, they do lot of work, but the interpretation of the result is missing. I attended one PhD defense there. The examiner asked, define your work in only 2 sentences. Entire around 300 page PhD thesis, are you able to explain that in 2 sentences? Obviously it may not be the title. So we have to think up to that way, that how we can explain our work in 2 sentences and all this. So that is what the thing. Anybody can have any point rather than this. There are so many, but with reference to this discussion. Anything else? Lochan madam? Okay. Now, how to start? So, how to convert that problem into opportunities? As we have so many problems, but that problems how we can convert into opportunities. That a small story of one person, he has a shoe factory, so he has to expand his market area to some other nation or other Iceland or other area. So he sent one surveyor that you just go to that place and just find it out that what should be the scope for our market. The person returned, sir, there is no scope because the people are not using any type of shoes. They are Adivasi people, they are not using. So he sent the next person. So if the person replied, he just happily jumped, sir, there is a lot of scope. There is no shoe at all. We can put our branch there and we can give shoes to all the people. So it depends on you that how you can convert the problems into opportunity. So that is what the main thing. But how to start? So there are so many ways. The very first way is listening. There are so many programs, so many seminars, so many outside also, personality development, public speaking, everyone want to speak, but no one want to listen. I came here morning before 9 o'clock to speak, but to listen, the people I had to wait that people should come. Not me, that is not, don't take it personally, I am not taking it personally. But whether we have the listening ability, whether we are able to listen any person, most of the problem, maybe the management survey or all this, most of the problem in office or home or what this, that are due to non-listening. Madam has given the lectures on intelligent quotient, so she has explained what is the expectation of wife. That is, she don't want any solution on whatever the problem she will put up in front of the husband. She want what? You have to listen only. But husband is not listening. So same thing in the home, in the office, on the street, anywhere. That in the lecture, most of the teacher are facing the problem. The students are not listening. Because we are not putting any efforts on developing this attitude, developing this skill. This is what the skill. I hope that. This is the skill that we have to listen, and what we listen, that we have to process on our own way. That every human has his own way of thinking. So he has to process that. So I think that this is what the most important ability as per researcher point of view also. He has to listen to so many things. I don't know from where he will get the idea. If you will discuss with your child of maybe 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year old, and you will get the idea, you will get the solution. So many researcher got they had a experience that discussing with the people, maybe expert, non-expert or whatever it is, you will get the idea. The another thing most important is what the reading. You have to read. You have to read so many things. You have to read the research paper, review paper, discussion with the domain expert, and the listening and reading are in the same category. And then the further thing that what you have to think. You have to think on what your inputs are there. So this is what the small process that how we are thinking. And the important thing is this, that is what our belief system. We are taking some information day to day life, everywhere from our childhood we have input, so many information. Then we club this with the past experience. And then our belief system has been developed, the decision making system. That is what the belief system, based on what way we are taking the decision, and that will develop our thinking. The simple example for explaining this flowchart or this thing is what, whether to register for this program or not. So whatever you are thinking, information is you have to register. Past experience ऐसे program में कुछ नहीं होता है. Don't register for this. So what is your belief system? ऐसे program सब waste होते हैं. That what you will think, इसमें नहीं जाना है register करो whatever it is. This is what the one way. The other way, अरे नहीं, what we have to go to such programs that are beneficial, that will give some inputs. हाँ ठीक है, दिन भर में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा तो थोड़ा कुछ तो मिल जाएगा. So what is my belief system develop? Okay, ठीक है, partially they are beneficial. That is what my belief system. If you will have a strong belief, नहीं, सबको सुनना चाहिए, what are their point of view, that we have to listen and then we have to modify our thinking and all this, whatever this is. So my strong belief is yes, this type of programs are beneficial. Depending upon obviously your past experience, you have gone to some programs, so what is your past experience, that will decide what should be your beliefs. So very important thing is what, that we have to check what is my belief system, whether it is correct, whether it is positive, whether it is up to the required, whatever the conditions are there. Okay, my experience of previous workshop or whatever these things are there, that is not correct, or my previous experience to this particular thing is not positive, but what I think to that ये ऐसा ही होता है, so that you have to check. So every time you have to check your belief system, that is what decision making system, that you have to check. If my belief system previously was अरे काम करने से कुछ नहीं होता है, ऐसे करो, दे दो, but by past experience से ऐसा what I feel that, but my right now if I am taking the experience that no, we have to work hard, we have to do the things properly, we have to do the publication, we have to do that, this, all this, whatever it is. If you will work hard, obviously you will progress. So my belief system will develop that. So every time we have to put a close feedback, what is my belief system, whether, and you have to upgrade it every time. It is not one day job, it is what the continuous process. So if your belief system is correct, then you can do anything. Correct means, this is not the correct word, if your belief system is there, whatever it is, then it will give accordingly. So based on this, the great teacher or the great economist, what he says, that अपने विचार को काबू में करो, वही तुम्हारी वाचा बनेगी. अपनी वाचा को काबू में रखो, वही तुम्हारे कर्म बनेंगे. अपने कर्म को काबू में रखो, वही तुम्हारी आदतें बनेगी. अपनी आदतों को काबू में रखो, वही तुम्हारा चरित्र बनेगा. अपने चरित्र को काबू में रखो, वही तुम्हारा भाग्य बनेगा. But by going through this entire process, we want to control our bhagya or destination. that will not control automatically. Or we are giving blame on somebody else. अरे ये तो ऐसा ही है, ऐसे हो गया, मेरे तो भाग्य में नहीं, whatever it is. But this is what the technical process and the technical analysis given by Arya Chanakya, that if you will control your thoughts, if you will put your mind in a proper way, in a proper direction, where you want to go, that obviously you will reach there. So the simple example you can take this, that if you will have the slum area boy, so he will talk in that way, he will do that activity, what are there nearby, what he says, and then his charitra and all these things built in that way, and his bhagya is in that direction. But somebody else is thinking in some different way, in a correct way, in a better manner, so obviously what you can decide your destiny. So this is what the correct thing, that what we have to understand, and we have to put in a practice, that this way we can change our destiny. Now with reference to this, okay, we are thinking, we are reading, then we have to write. What we have to write, with reference to the researcher point of view, you must have the proper documentation of everything, that what you have done, because what we have very short memory, and what we have done before last week, before few days, we are not able to remember. So what we have to keep a very systematic record, and we have a system that we should recover it when it required. We should get that things. So many times I have the experience with so many student or researcher, अरे हाँ वो पेपर तो था लेकिन कहाँ रखा है वो पता नहीं. So when you will download any paper, any document, anything, so that must be put up in a proper way, so that when you require that, you can have the access to that particular thing what you have downloaded or what you have done, anything. So while doing this way, you can do the gap analysis. How? By writing also. So here writing the summary of any paper. If four page paper is there, you reduce it to the 2 page, you reduce it to the 1 page. Now recently I told one of my postgraduate student, yes, this is what very long report, you reduce this report, this is 10 page, you convert it to the 6 page, 5 page. So what he asked, sir, इसमें से क्या क्या निकालूं? So what you have to do, you have to convert that whatever 10 page data, you have to reduce it to the 5 page. Means content wise क्या क्या, what we do, ये paragraph निकाल दो, ये निकाल दो, ये निकाल दो, ये निकाल दो, connectivity. That is what the easiest way. But this is what the most difficult way. One of the famous writer, he put up a statement that it is very easy to write a long letter. That's why I am writing this long letter, because it is very difficult to write the short letter. So to put up the things, I think the HNS people, they will be agree with me. Yes sir, is it correct? It is difficult to write a very brief and very short, but it is easy to write a long. So this way you can find it out, the gap analysis for your research work. So here you can have the paper details, and then you can put up a column that what is done in this particular paper, and then at the last you have to put your comment. By reading any paper, any document, what you understand, what is your interpretation of that. Means something is given on any paper or any document. So any author is writing that particular document or paper on his point of view. But you are reading that particular paper with your point of view. That you want to do something, you want to find it out something. Your point of view is something. So with reference to that, what is your comment? Okay, ये 4 पैरामीटर पे तो काम किया है, डेटा कंप्रेस किया है, but the error has reduced, or what it is there. So that's why when you will put this comment all together by reading so many papers, then you will find it out, yes, this is the gap. The people have done work this way, but there is a scope. ये parameter पे काम नहीं किया, I can have a scope to improve this parameter by this way I can do. So you will have your thought process, and you will find it out the gap where I have to do my work. So this is what the thing is. So you can write. So these are the other basic requirement that the how you can be a comparatively better researcher and what are the requirements. So I remember this line by our Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, that is, dream, dream, dream. Dream transforms into thoughts and thoughts result into action. Very inspiring. We have to dream, obviously. If you don't have dream, you can't do anything. So the basic requirement is you have to dream. You must have dream to do anything. What is your dream? That you have to decide. So the basic thing is dream. You have to dream. So it will convert into thoughts and the thoughts will come to the reality. Okay. But the counterpart of this statement is, according to my understanding or whatever I read from the internet, is this: what a normal human brain has 60,000 to 80,000 thoughts per day. How many of thoughts result into action? First part is very correct. It is not the simple line, it is the lines are by the experience, by the thought process. They are very correct. But the other part is the reality, that is our limitation. That in per day I have, this is not my expertise, this is what the things I have taken it from so many neurological papers or something. They have concluded this. So 60,000 to 80,000 thoughts comes in your mind. How much thoughts come to reality? So where is the gap? We have to find it out, the gap, and we have to bridge that gap. We have to do the analysis. Both the statements are correct. So how to bridge this gap? That whatever your dream, whatever your thoughts, how they can come to the reality. So for that, some things are required. That are not all. Some of the things that I have considered, these are required things, that if you will think on these 4-5 points, then obviously you are able to bridge that gap. So first is the motivation, second is the creativity, consistency, focus, believe in I am unique, enjoy every moment. So what these are? So I'll try to understand from you people. You can add this because these are very general points. So the motivation is the very essential and the basic requirement for doing any work, not research. You just refer your back history, whatever your back life, the things what we have done with a intention, with a strong motivation. नहीं, ये तो करना ही है, ये तो होना ही है. So that things happen. But if whatever the things that you have done with the intention, okay ठीक है कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा, तो वो भी हो गया, नहीं तो कर लिया, in that so category में वो उसका result है. So the best example here is that the fellow who has invented electric bulb, he failed 1564 times for blowing the electric bulb. This is what very best example what I have found out for doing the research. 1564 times a person fail on particular experiment. Suppose you consider, I don't know whether the experiment is done on per day basis. Suppose we will consider that one experiment has been done one day. How many years required to do this experiment? Mathematician. More than 5 years, more than 4 years. So in 4 to 5 years, a PhD degree has been awarded. Generally, in general case. So the person is doing work or working on the failure experiment which has been failed on 1564 times. तो मेरे जैसे कोई इंटेलिजेंट दोस्त ने एडिसन को पूछा, from so many long time you are working on this failed experiment, what is the use of doing this? That is the correct and valid point. So what he replied, that whatever this 1564 combination or this process of experiment that electric bulb is not able to glow by this way, you have to try something else. This is what the outcome of my failure research, the failure experiment research is correct. So it is very much important that you must have very strong motivation and you must have the ability to convert your failures into your conclusion positively. That he given the conclusion that 1564 experimental procedure are not useful for blowing the electric bulb. You have to try something else. This is what the positive conclusion. So that we have to think. Another way, not the every time we have so many people around us, we have those they have the tremendous motivation. If we will take the example of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, any movement, any whatever the things you see in his life, that today also we feel that is impossible. Any incident you take, if you will take statistical analysis, whatever here, recently I met with the lady that she was doing her PhD in management on the leadership of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. What are the base quality and all this. So if you will take any incident, she shared with me that incident of Afzal Khan, that Afzal Khan statistically also he has the army 1,20,000 soldiers with all equipped with all latest technology what was there at that time, and Shivaji Maharaj has only 8,000 soldiers. So statistically complete imbalance. But what the things that we know that in history that Shivaji Maharaj won the fight with Afzal Khan and all these things, only the motivation and with a strong literature review. What is that? What he has used the Vagnaka and all this. So he has inspired from what? From the back history or the Hindu philosophy or that mythology, in that the Narsimha avatar, he has killed the Rakshas by the Vagnaka or what that person. So he has taken reference from the history. So we have to do our literature survey that way, that we have to interpret whatever the things has been used by the previous researcher and what way we have to use. He has in Narsimha avatar, he has used in a different way. Shivaji Maharaj has used in a different way, but literature review is from the Narsimha avatar. So that reference we have to adopt, and that way we can have our literature review and understanding very well. If we will have that understanding, obviously we can have the implementation of whatever the previous researcher, previous examples are there, we can relate with our work and we can do these things better. So this is what the best example for the motivation. Then the important thing in doing any task is the creativity. If you will have the creativity, then Shivaji Maharaj has creativity, so that's why he has used Vagnaka in a different way. So here, how to improve our creativity? Creativity and intelligence is different. So how we can do this? By doing the small thing. What the simple thing we are able to do? That we know that 1 square can be divided into 4 equal square. It is very simple thing. But is it possible that to divide 1 square into 5 equal square? Apply your basic fundamental mathematics, Pythagoras theorem and all these things. So I wish that we have to attempt this. You can, the basic example, this is what the example given by Professor Karmarkar from IIT Madras. When we are doing our PhD, that time our university has arranged his lecture of 6 hours, and very first task what he has told to us that divide, you just take a paper, a square paper, and divide that paper into 4 parts. That is very easy, but divide that square into 5 equal square. I think we have to do this. There are so many possibilities are there. if you will think on Pythagoras or if you will do that, I think all of you have the notebook. एक पेपर फाड़ सकते हैं मैडम? हाँ, with madam permission you can use that one paper and you just try. Or somebody else is having any idea, you come here. Try. It is having the multiple answers. Divide this square into 5 equal parts. 5 equal square, not part. Okay, what way we can approach? Whether we have to start from mathematicians or anybody. Any idea how to start? Can we take example? Number example. Suppose x is 10 centimeter or 10 meter.
10 means 10 by
10 by 10. So you want the area. You want area. 10 into 10 it is 100.
Square side will be mu square side will be 10 by root 5.
It is a by no?
X
Okay. X by root 5.
It will be 10 by root 5.
How much it is? 10 by root 5 into root 5.
2 root 5.
Okay. Okay. If we will take side of 2 root 5 then 2 root 5. Area 20 लेकिन but we want the side of the square.
X minus 2 x by root 5.
How much will be the side?
X by root 5. 10 by root 5.
10 by root 5. Okay, 10 by, but how we have to cut? 10 by root 5. How? नहीं बचेगा ना. Suppose these 4 are there, so the remaining part will be. The basic question is how to cut. Very basic simple example is what? Suppose you have the simple mathematical understanding is very easy. What is that? Suppose you have a square of side 10. 10 into 10. Area is what? 100. Okay. 10 into 10. Area of big square is 100. So the small square, suppose A1, A2, A3, small scale area should be 100 by 5. It is 20. But question is not this. Question is how you will get 20 area from 100 area.
5 times of 20 area.
Yes, it is correct. But you have to cut the paper. But do on paper. That we have done. This we have done maybe 6, 7, 8 standard. But the same question, same thing we have to do in a different way. We have to cut it. हाँ यस
ट्राई करेगा
हाँ हाँ
राइट
वो अगर आपकी गलतियाँ तो समझ सकते
the lecture is on research so obviously there are if there is no failure then there is no research
I will do research after this. This is my literature.